Okay guys, I'm a little bit embarrassed to show you this, but I've been procrastinating and this is what happens. I just took the trash out because it's trash day, but this is my closet. And it needs to be organized. And so my thought was, I'm not going to put anything away until I organize it. And then I just kept putting more stuff and not putting it where it goes and not organizing it. And this is my desk. It just kind of exploded. I've gotten new stuff, mostly for organizing, which are still in the boxes. This is papers that need to be shredded. This is my bookshelf where I've just been pulling stuff out and not reorganizing it. It's just a nightmare. Look at all those papers. Okay, I'm all set. I have my water and my music, and I'm gonna tackle this disaster. So as you can see, I start with the closet and I begin by taking everything out and emptying it. I have all the holidays representative: Valentine's, St. Patrick's, Christmas, Easter, and even Thanksgiving. So the closet is completely empty, but I think this is where I had second thoughts and regrets about ever starting the project. Look at this mess. So I organized everything while it was in the living room, but I guess I didn't press play on the camera, and so I didn't get any of that footage. But this is just where I'm putting everything back after it's organized. And then I get started on my desk and the rest of the office.
So don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze. So where do we go, nah, nah? Just let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away. So don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. Oh baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, out of control. I'm in love. I'm in love. Yeah. I'm slipping away. Yeah. Just like I am dreaming, walking around in this love haze. I wanna stay in this feeling, but let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away. Oh, so don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. But baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. Baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control.
My plant in the back looks a little bit sad and droopy. I think it needs a little bit more love.
Deep in love with you, baby, yeah. 'Cause your love is exceptional. Ooh, it's out of control, out of control. It's out of control, but I love the rush.
And now I'm just finishing off my nightmare closet. And there's Jax. And then I just vacuum and mop, and I'm done.
So many questions that I wanna ask, but I can find the reasons why. You always find a small excuse to leave.
And here's what it looks like finished.
Make me cry. My love was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out.
And this was all that was left. It's all the holiday stuff, so I put it in a bin and put it up in the attic.